Low-carb keto air fryer burger recipe. Hey there, keto enthusiasts and burger lovers. Get ready to have your minds blown with this incredibly easy and satisfying keto air fryer burger recipe. Say goodbye to boring salads and hello to juicy, flavorful burgers packed with protein and healthy fats that fit perfectly in your low-carb lifestyle. What exactly is an air fryer? If you are new to the air fryer craze, let me fill you in. An air fryer is like a supercharged mini-convection oven. It cooks food by circulating hot air at ridiculously high speeds. The result is perfectly crisp fried food without all the excess oil. Ingredients for 4 servings. 1.5 pounds ground beef, 80-20 fat ratio. The good fat means extra flavor and juiciness. 1 large egg, this binds the meat together. 1/4 Cuban pesos almond flour, this adds a slightly nutty taste and helps keep the burgers moist. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, adds a savory depth. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a must-have for deliciousness. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, enhances the flavor profile. 1/2 teaspoon salt, balances the flavors. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a little kick goes a long way. Optional toppings. Cheese of choice, cheddar, mozzarella, Swiss, melty goodness. Sugar-free ketchup. Mustard. Avocado slices, adds healthy fats and creaminess. Tomato slices. Onion slices. Lettuce leaves buns. Instructions. Get mixing. In a large bowl, combine all the burger ingredients and mix well until everything is evenly incorporated. Shape it up. Divide the burger mixture into 4 equal portions and form patties about 3/4 inch thick. Press a slight dimple into the center. This prevents them from puffing up into little meatballs when cooked. Preheat and air fry. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees F 200 degrees C. Place the burgers in the air fryer basket, spacing them out to let the hot air circulate. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, flip, and then cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees F. In the last minute, you can add cheese slices on top if you like. Build your masterpiece. While the burgers finish up, get creative with toppings. Traditional toppings all work great, but my favorite is using lettuce leaves as buns. It's a deliciously refreshing way to cut even more carbs. Tips for the crispiest, juiciest keto air fryer burger. Use a higher fat content ground beef. This prevents the burgers from drying out while cooking. Don't overcrowd the air fryer. You want the hot air to circulate to get that crispy finish. Cook in batches if needed. Invest in a meat thermometer. This is the most accurate way to tell if your burgers are cooked through. This recipe is endlessly customizable, so feel free to get creative. Add your favorite spices and seasonings to the mix, and experiment with various cheeses and toppings. This is the perfect recipe to try if you are new to keto or want to ditch the guilt associated with indulging in your favorite burger. Want more amazing keto tips and recipes? Subscribe to our channel and never miss out on delicious dishes that support your healthy lifestyle.